In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5. If you want to practice trading without risking real money, a demo account is the perfect place to start. It gives you access to the platform, live market conditions, and virtual funds so you can learn how everything works before moving on to a live account. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform is running, look to the top left menu bar and click File. From that menu, select Open an Account. This will take you to the account setup window where you can connect to a broker and create your demo profile. Next, use the search bar to find a broker. You can type MetaQuotes if you want to use the default option, or enter the name of your preferred broker instead. After that, click Find Your Broker, select the broker from the results, and then click Next. This step is important because your demo account will be created under the broker or server you choose. On the next screen, select the option to open a demo account to trade risk-free with virtual money, then click Next again. Make sure you choose the demo option and not a live account, especially if your goal is just to practice and explore the platform. You'll then be asked to fill in your registration details, enter your name, email address, and phone number in the required fields. As always, make sure the information is entered accurately so the setup process goes smoothly. After that, you'll need to choose your account settings. Select the account type that fits what you want to practice with. Then choose your preferred currency, set your leverage, and enter the amount of virtual deposit you want in the demo account. These settings can affect how your practice account behaves, so take a moment to pick options that match the kind of trading environment you want to simulate. Once everything is filled out, check the agreement box and click Next. MetaTrader 5 will then generate your demo account details, including the login ID, master password, and server name. Before you click Finish, take a screenshot of this information and save it somewhere secure. This is very important because you may need these details later to log back in or connect the account on another device. When you're ready, click Finish and your MetaTrader 5 demo account will be created. That's it. You now have a demo account in MetaTrader 5 and can start practicing with virtual funds. It's a great way to learn the platform, test strategies, and build confidence before trading with real money.